Yes, so fly fam. I'm tell you, say, we are going on a grand tour. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah.
Yeah, my mom telling me say mother try catch the man on the beach. We zoom in, we get the camera today and we are try zoom to catch the man on the beach. So the man come in, zoom in on the man. You see me? With the far out. Lifeguard stand and block the thing, you see me? So we are go out on the beach and zoom in and make us see what I go. Somebody out there say dive. I don't know if you can see it properly. Somebody out there dive. I can't even find him back. Yeah, so fly fam. So we are going on a grand tour at the License Beach. And you know, License Beach. A long time from your youth we know about this License Beach. So you can see some whole heap of improvements are going down upon the beach. You see me, we're up on the beach, we're up on the front. You see me? Look up, you don't know. You got a whole heap of new thing down upon the beach. So if you are like tourists them, you can come check out License Beach. It's the place to be. Everything custom, as would I say. So it's an entrance. You have place to park and thing. You see me? So we just walk through it and show you what new on License Beach. You see me? You know how you think go, as would I say, another day, another dollar. And you see me? We just show you little clips of the thing. How the thing improve upon thing, you see me? So basically I just it. Come on, you have your little place, cozy up and thing. You have your lifeguard stand and thing. Then you have look a party venue. You want to keep your family reunion. You have only for space. Drive through, drive go out and thing. Park. And then you have this, you have a place you can kick to, knock to football and thing. You see me? You have a next thing up there, so you have them have a 2 bathroom, 4 bathroom, 2 boy, 2 male, 2 female. Yeah, you can see it. It's like quarters. The bathroom. Yeah. The bathroom. So you see me? And then you have more shed. See 2 more there. Zoom in as you can see. You have some people on the beach. Same way. Yeah, you zoom in you can see some people on the beach. People might enjoy themselves, you see me? I don't really know how people might enjoy themselves. I don't know thing already. We just show a little clip at the beach. And the nice beach. Look at it. Look, people just look on the beach now, bro. I tell you, see how it's just inviting. So, as we say, we just go on a little clip at License Beach. This is License Beach for you. You see me? Spacious. Yeah, and thing, you see me? So, just check it out. St. Thomas Tourist Attraction, License Beach. See, family enjoy themselves. Spot all a twin on the beach. I'm my twin, I worry myself. I joke there because I'm my twin. You see me? Family on the beach. And then you have a private part over there. So we don't really get no private part story. We don't really get no private part. So I don't see that. So we just, as we say, we just go on a short little preview at License Beach. You know, you have the lifeguard stand. Lifeguard stand. So must big sun upon the stand. Go on easy, chillax and things. You want to do a look of blogging, you can come here and do blog too. Somebody a blog you see them with you. Yeah. Somebody a blog you see them with you and things. Well, I show you. Come on, him come dive. Yeah, so we are going to show you how go on. This is a beach. See, stand there, you have what? 3 lifeguards stand. Find the man show you. See the man carrying him boat. they far up on the beach, as me, so we just show the man again in boat. Anyways, until another video, we are doing a little exercise and then we take a little dip in the water. But it's a licensed beach for now. See there? Licensed beach for now. Just clip on thing, show me what I'm going. It's a licensed beach for now. Come and enjoy yourself, your family and thing.